fresh, sweet pineapple and a kick of spicy ginger. Let's make a refreshing juice that's both delicious and healthy. We're starting off by peeling and chopping our pineapples into chunks.
Mm, this is very sweet. I'm not even sure if I want to blend it. Mm-mm. And I thought it was going bad.
Next, we're going to be adding the ginger. The amount of ginger that you use, all depending on how spicy you want it, because the ginger is going to give it that spicy kick. And along with that, ginger has a lot of health benefits. All right. So if you want to peel the ginger, it's up to you. If you want to cut it in the skin, it's totally up to you. Some peel it, some don't. All right. If you have seen my previous juice videos, normally I extract the juice from the ginger first and then I gradually add it to whatever juice I'm making. However, in this video, I'm adding everything in one because I don't mind how spicy the ginger gets, but that's just me. But if you don't want to add too much spice to your juice, just go ahead and extract the ginger juice first. Set it aside. When you blend your juice, then you gradually add it and taste it until it has your desired taste. So I added a little water in my blender and then I blend everything and I strain it. I strain it like 2 times. And if you don't mind eating the fibers from the pineapple, no problem. You don't necessarily have to strain it. Just go ahead and blend it and drink it just as is. And that's it. Fresh pineapple and ginger juice. Simple, tasty, and so, so good and healthy for you. To make a more delicious one, you don't have to use any water. Just use a juicer if you have one. I just couldn't bother to dirty up my juicer for one pineapple, but that's a great option as well.